Hi there, welcome back pronunciation learners for another lesson of English phonetics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to pronounce these 7 words that start with letter H. Here we are, listen attentively. Hospitable, hospitality, hostage, hotel, hotelier, horticulture, and histology. The first word is hospitable, and hospitable is an adjective which means welcoming. This word contains 4 syllables, hospitable. The second syllable, spe, is stressed. As you see, the placement of the stressed syllable is shown by the little apostrophe that you see in front of you. Whenever you see the little apostrophe, just after the apostrophe, we put the stress. We say hospitable, which means welcoming. The noun is hospitality, and hospitality is the fact of being welcoming. This word contains 5 syllables, hospitality. Ta is the stressed syllable. Listen closely, we say hospitality, which means that the stress shifts from sp to ta. We say hospitable and we say hospitality. The third word is a noun, it's hostage. This word contains 2 syllables, hostage. The first syllable, hos, should be stressed. And what's hostage? Is person kept in a prison. That's hostage. The third word is hotel. It's also a disyllabic word. The second syllable, tel, should be stressed. We say hotel. The person who runs a hotel is called the hotelier. And hotelier is a 3-syllable noun. Hotelier. The second syllable also should be stressed. We say hotelier. Word number 6 is horticulture. Horticulture is a 5-syllable noun, and this noun, as I said, it contains 5 syllables, and the first syllable should be stressed. We say horticulture, horticulture. And then the last word is histology, histology, histology. Listen carefully, histology, histology. It's a 4-syllable noun, and this word means the study or the science of body cells. And horticulture is the science of gardening. I repeat, horticulture, histology. Horticulture is the science of gardening, and histology is the science of body cells. Horticulture, histology. Now we practice hospitable, hospitality, hostage, hotel, hotelier, horticulture, and histology. Histology, horticulture, hotelier, hotel, hostage, hospitality, hospitable. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Peace.